here, Yosemite Valley. Oh my gosh, it's even more incredible than the pictures. Found our spot tucked away in the pines. Time to set up base camp. Okay, Operation Unpack is underway. Got everything I need for a cozy couple of nights. Tent's going up. Practice makes perfect. Almost ready for the sleeping bag. Ta-da! Home sweet home for the next few days. Now time to explore. Okay, day pack is ready. First hike, Lower Yosemite Fall Trail. Let's see those famous falls up close. Nice easy start to get warmed up. Lots of people enjoying the park today. Wow. Okay, pictures do not do this justice. It's enormous. Getting closer, you can really hear it now and feel the mist. Okay, it's official! Nature shower! Woo! So powerful and amazing. Whispering Look, a deer. Just chilling. So calm. Gotta be quiet. Back from the falls, perfect little hike. Now for a well-deserved snack. Just enjoying the peace and quiet of the campsite. And a good book, of course. Getting the fire pit ready for later. Always check restrictions first. Safety is key. Had to take a quick walk to see El Capitan again. It's just mind-blowingly huge. Hard to capture its scale. I think I see some climbers. They look like tiny ants. So brave. Maybe one day. Dinner prep time. Keeping it simple but tasty tonight. Foil packet meals. And we have fire. Perfect timing as the sun goes down. Getting a little chilly. Dinner's cooking. The smell of campfire food is the best. Can't wait. Delicious. Everything tastes better when you cook it yourself over a fire. And there goes the sun. What a perfect end to the day. Now for the stars. Just enjoying the fire. Reminds me of that time in the Amazon. Campfire stories are the best. Can't have a campfire without marshmallows. The ultimate camping dessert. Hear that? Sounds like an owl. The forest really has its own nightlife. All right, cozy time. It gets cold in the mountains at night. Snuggling into the sleeping bag. A little reading before sleep. So peaceful out here. Okay, time to sleep. Good night from beautiful Yosemite. Wow, sunrise in Yosemite. It's painting Half Dome pink. Absolutely worth waking up for. First things first, coffee. Need that warmth and caffeine before packing up. This moment, this view, this coffee doesn't get any better. Breaking down camp, always try to be quick and efficient. Final sweep, making sure I leave absolutely nothing behind. Gotta protect this beautiful park. Okay, pack is loaded, heavier with memories, lighter on food. Time to hike out. Downhill is much faster. Feeling refreshed and already planning my next trip. Made it! Back to the car. What an amazing overnight trip. Yosemite never disappoints. Leaving Yosemite, always a little sad, but feeling so inspired by the beauty. Camping by that waterfall was unforgettable.